you come here for a minute? Can you help me? Yes. Yes, a friend of mine had told me he just left. He called. He had ordered a box of chocolate. And he said he had delivered here and he had it left at the desk. He said a box of Ferrero Gold Fine Gallery chocolate. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, my name is, well, he has it under J. White. Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Woo-hoo-hoo. I got my chocolate, y'all. Look. Woo-hoo. This is a Ferrero Golden Gallery chocolate. A signature box. Woo-hoo. Look. Can y'all see? Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. It's fine assorted chocolate. The Art of Chocolate by Ferrero. 10 recipes. Ooh, 42 premium specialties. Huh? 42 chocolate? Ooh, but there's never too much chocolate in a box. Ooh, I love, this is my favorite. Ferrero Golden Gallery. We're gonna sample each one, y'all. Sample. Ooh, 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 I like it. I think it's it. And it's Italian chocolate. Yummy, 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 yummy. Can you say Ferrero? Yes, thank you, Rick. Can I have a cup of water? Just put it in a teacup. So I'm gonna taste all this chocolate, waiter. And guess what? I just wanna get each flavor. I wanna rinse my mouth out each time I nibble on a chocolate. Woo-hoo. Let me show y'all what it looks like. This is the wrapper. He said he ordered on Amazon. Y'all better get this chocolate on Amazon. I will give you the links. And thank you. This is a sponsored video. Okay, let me show y'all. Look at this. Ooh, it's pretty. It's nice. Look. Ooh, nice chocolate. Look. Let's cut it open, y'all. Let's cut the chocolate open. See what we got. Oh, it came with a card. Well, I'm gonna read the card as I get each chocolate. They said 42. Oh, what is this? Yeah, 7. It's in great packaging. You guys better get y'all chocolate. Order from Amazon. I'm gonna give you links. There's different places where you can order this chocolate. It's gone. I got different orders. Let me show you. And they'll get there by Christmas. Yep. Yes, and that. Ooh, that's good. I want to put this on a display. Yum, yum, yum. I like white chocolate too. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate. Can you say Italian chocolate? Woohoo! Okay, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show you guys this. Oh, I'm gonna need my glasses, y'all, but that's okay. I'm gonna get my lasers. There's your ticket. Let me show y'all. Can you say chocolate? Chocolate. Yum, 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 yum. Good chocolate. Let me put my glasses on, y'all. I got lashes. Ferrero Golden Gallery presents a modern signature in premium chocolates. Ferrero Golden Signature. Delight in the surprising variety of the fine crafted chocolates with the unique flavor combination, enhancing the distinctive note of each ingredient. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, which one are we gonna try first, y'all? Which one is that? I don't know which one that one is. Oh, I have my glasses on, y'all. We're gonna try the chocolate sonetto. Chocolate sonetto. It's a luscious milk chocolate studded with hazelnut and almond bites, and finished with a delicate dusting of fine grated white chocolate. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's take a bite of this. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. 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 That's good. I'm in heaven, y'all. I think I really am. Man, y'all better get your woman some chocolate. Mmm. Woman, get your friends and mothers some chocolate. Mmm. Let's try. Salute. There's certain wines that go with chocolate, like the dark chocolate, Moscato, Cabernet. It has to be a strong, a red wine, a strong wine, dark wine to go with the dark chocolate. And it can't be too bitter. It has to be extra sweeter than the chocolate to bring the notes together so the chocolate won't taste too bitter. I think a Pinot Noir goes a white chocolate, or maybe a Zinfandel, something light white. That's good. I forgot to get some. Waiter, I should have ordered some wine. Okay, let's try the white chocolate. Oh no, I love white chocolate. Let's see the white chocolate, what it says about the white chocolate. Where is it? It's called, the white chocolate is called the Bland Coretti. A luscious white chocolate square filled with amaretto flavored cream and crispy amaretto ribs in the center, and creates a memorable sensory experience. Let's try that. This is one. Another sip of water, y'all. Let's try this. I guess it's fruit. I taste cherry. It's not about chocolate. It's good. That's amaretto. That's good. That's real good, y'all. Y'all better try. Okay, the next one we're gonna try is the caramel Leonardo. It's a nutty praline base combines with a soft, buttery, salted caramel center. A delectable milk chocolate for an elegant, bite-sized work of art. Ooh, let me try this one, y'all. Ferrero, can you say Ferrero Chocolate? Okay, that's this one right here. The caramel Leonardo. Let's try it. That's good. Tastes real good. And the next thing we're gonna try is the. Oh, we need water. I need water. That's real good. So we're gonna try this. The dark cupola. Dark cupola. Hey, delicious dark chocolate enrolls with velvety cocoa ganache in a perfect atmosphere, fine, decorated with a milk chocolate swirl on top. Okay, let's try this one, y'all. The caramel cupola. What is it? Caramel cupola. No, this is the dark cupola. That's good. Let's say that's good. That's real good. I'm buying it and putting it back. This is my box of chocolate, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, the next thing I want to try, y'all, is, what is this? Where we? I'm gonna get it. Okay, you guys, let's try the Glando Jot Ferrero. And homage to the Glando Jot, the solid hazelnut cream created in the first Ferrero pastry shop in 1946. Wow. Before I was born. This unique creamy confection made with the finest hazelnuts revealed in a story of passion and dedication. So let's try it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's good. That's good. It's real good. All right, the next thing is gonna be, let me see which one is this. I don't know which one is this. Oh, I see it. The next one is gonna be the caramel intenso. It's a intense dark chocolate shell hides a smooth, rich caramel center, delicately flavored with a hint of sea salt. This sounds unique. Let me try that. Y'all better get your chocolate box. Get your chocolate. You get your box of assorted flavor. They have many kind of assorted boxes of chocolate. I'll be sending you guys a link. And you can set it on your, excuse me, you can set it on your table, coffee table, or your display, Christmas display table. Then you can get your little thong, little decorated thong, and put it inside the box so nobody won't touch it, you know. COVID, so they can have a thong and just put it on their napkin or whatever. Let's try this one. Oh, there's a little cream flavor on the inside. That's good. Real good. Let me drink my water. That's good. Okay. The next one is going to be, let me see. I thought I did that one already. I did? There's two kinds. Let me see. No, I didn't do that one. Okay, another one I'm gonna try, y'all. And it's called the which one is it? That's the dark one. I think I need the light one. I think this one is it. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. This is a, I already did that one. Yep. There's another one I'm gonna try now. It is called, oh, it's a darker than milk copula. So we're gonna try the milk copula. It's a rich milk chocolate embroidered with feather light mousse in a delicate spear, fine accented with a dark chocolate flourish. Let's try this one. Okay, which one is it? It's this one. The milk cupola. I already tried the dark cupola. Let's try this one, y'all. That's good. Real good. These nails. You guys, that's so delicious. Oh, it's good. Get it. You have like your chop box. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, the next one is the white. It's what? Got a nutty flavor too, like an almond. Look, that's how it looks. It's so good. The taste of white chocolate. It's good. Okay, another thing we did. I tried that one. What's the next one? Did that one. Yep. That's this one right here. Let me see. Can you say chocolate, chocolate? Can you say chocolate, chocolate? Okay, here. This is, oh, you guys. This is gonna be my favorite. It's called Coffee Maestria. Coffee Maestria. Designed to transport you to an Italian cafe. A cream-rich coffee blend with layers of finely ground 100% Arabian beans. Its chocolate shell capturing the essence of Italian coffee culture. Ooh, let me try. Y'all know, let me see. I love coffee. Yes, I do. I love coffee. Can you say coffee? Coffee. Let's try it, y'all. Let me drink another cup of water. Drink a little to wet my palate so I could try it. Okay, let's try this. I think I tried everyone so far. That one. Let me see. Give me the coffee experience. This is my favorite. Yes, it is. This is my favorite. I ate more than that one. Can you say 100% Arabian coffee? 100%? This coffee, it's good. This coffee, this chocolate, coffee, Maestria. Oh, y'all better get y'all a box of chocolate. That's good. Okay, what else am I looking at? Did that one, I did that one. Wait. Did a dark, did I do dark opera? Did I do that one? Okay, I did. Okay. Yeah. The dark chocolate color, I did that one. Okay, let's do, I did this one. Wait a minute, I did that one. Oh, I got 4 coffees. Okay, I did that one. So next one we're gonna try, you guys. This coffee. It's the last one. Yes, it is. We saved the best for last. I did the white opera. Now I'm gonna do the dark opera. Put them together. You have white and dark. Dark opera. Yum, yum, yum. The white opera, this is what it looks like. Oh, I broke one. What? It's a square cup. It's like a little cup with a surprise in it. The dark opera, inspired by the intensely endurable experience of an Italian opera. Ooh. Let me start singing opera. I may not do that. The bittersweet notes of the dark chocolate cup topped with a delicate cocoa. Hi, this is Janet, J. White alter ego. Ooh, she had Ferrero Chocolate. If you guys like chocolate, go to the description box and click on the links. Ooh, I was in heaven when she was eating that chocolate. It's so yum, 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 yum. So get your chocolate. Hurry up, it should arrive. White Christmas, get it. Bye. Hello, it's Jay White. I'm back again with the next clip. And in this clip, I'm gonna eat I'm gonna have a mukbang with you guys. And what I'm gonna do is we have the Indian food. I bought some from I went to 2 restaurants. One was Abzar, or 2 Indian restaurants. Which one I got? I got butter chicken. I think this is cream tofu, curry tofu, some kind of curry herb rice. I got salad. I got samosas, and I also got some naan bread. On the bread. Oh, that was good. It has butter and stuff. And I also got an Indian drink. This is a peach mazza. That's good. Let's get it started, y'all. Let me see. First things first, let's try the rice. Let's try the rice. The rice is good. I wanted something spicy, but they didn't have anything. What is this, tofu? This was a vegetarian Indian restaurant. It's tofu. I'll eat the tofu with my rice. And I also got some chutney. Too. The rice is good. The tofu is a little spicy. The curry tofu. The name for it, you guys, right? I'll put a little bit of this with it. Rice. A little spicy. I have a little chutney. And I also got some fish. I made the fish. It's a potato crusted tilapia. A whole tilapia. I made it. Yum, yum, yum. I got salad. I wanted that. It's green, like callaloo, whatever it is. Sauce that they made. You eat it with your bread. I tried it. Chutney's real good. Is it raining outside? My lights are knocking on. Mmm. That is good. She was supposed to add the vegetables to me. She didn't. But I have a salad. Mmm. Everything's so good. So, before I did that Ferrero chocolate kind of kills your appetite. This is where you eat it by itself with some coffee and the different wines that go with chocolate. But that was good. So I promised people, friends that work out of this video, the Indian food. Oh, shoot. Let's try the butter flavor. It's better than chicken. Everybody was talking about. It's so good. That is good. That's so good, y'all. Everything is flavored so good. Had some more naan bread. My bread got cold. I think I wanted that. This chair is making that noise. Got some more little tofu. A bit of that. I'm always dropping something out. I have a problem, you know, getting my hands dirty, and I got these nails now, y'all. My daughter did them. She got to touch them out. Well, so good. This is real good. Remember, dogs. You guys had enough food for tonight. That's good. Okay. This is my Vlogmas Day 1. 12 Days of Christmas video. I wasn't going to start this one behind. This one, this was wasn't going to be my Vlogmas Christmas video, but you know what? Salute. It's going to be my Vlogmas video. It's good. So delicious. Salad's good too. Y'all been eating all night. I ain't eating no more than you. That butter chicken is good, and I love the tofu. It's so good. That's good. My daughter loves Indian food. Now, I'm gonna try my potato crusted tilapia. It's the whole tilapia, but I cut it halfway here. It has bones and everything. Nice and flaky. That's good. Somebody out there, Teddy? What? No, they'll be barking at you on some food. Shoot. This food, you can't eat the spice in this food. Teddy don't like rice, you guys. It rained this morning. I think it's supposed to rain Wednesday. That's unusual. I hope you get a lot of rain today. You're sweet. It's good. But, y'all want to eat. I think the spice of the too. You guys can have it and good for you. I don't think. You hear somebody? I'm looking around if you hear somebody. Here. Here's Simba. Simba. Here's Simba. Okay, don't leave me alone now. That was try to fish. Did I already try it, you guys? I'm just talking. Ooh. This is just a taste test video of the fish. I love Indian food. That was good. The fish is nice and flaky. So good. Hey. Are you guys shopping? So this is gonna be my 12. This is day 1 of my 12th day of Christmas vlog. I'm also gonna be I'm gonna say you're gonna do a little shopping, Christmas shopping, sightseeing, whatever I like to do. Some cooking too. We're gonna do some cooking. 12 days of Christmas. That's gonna be busy. It's kind of, you guys shopping? So this is gonna be my 12. This is day 1 of my 12th day of Christmas vlog. I'm also gonna be I'm gonna say you're gonna do a little shopping, Christmas shopping, sightseeing, whatever I like to do. Some cooking too. We're gonna do some cooking. 12 days of Christmas. That's gonna be busy. It's kind of hard on me a little bit, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna be working too. Whatever. I do a video. I also want to do lunch break videos too. I'm learning to my daughter eat the tofu. She don't like tofu. It's good. I'm getting full, y'all. Mind you, I ate that chocolate, right? This is good. I like this really distinct flavor to this monster drink. The butter chicken. What? Everybody butter chicken. And everybody curry. Rice, whatever. It's different. The salt is good. Gotta have my vegetable. You guys, if I don't finish this, it's good, but I'm full. But I'm gonna try mimosas. I love mimosa. I didn't put the green sauce. I got the green sauce. The red sauce is in there. That was good. Everything was so flavorful and delicious. It's good. I was gonna sing for y'all in my intro. Start off singing Joy to the World. But I'm having a hard time with my asthma. So the inhaler is not working. You know, something bad happened to me. Well, not bad. What caused my chest hurt. What happened was I was at work. I had some coffee. I can't say where it's from. But that coffee, the milk must have been bad. I feel kind of sick, getting dizzy. Do what? Somebody else got sick too. There's like a lot of respiratory infections and everything going around, but I think it was the coffee. But I don't know. At work, so I have asthma. I have to be careful. But I almost, I was trying to, regurgitate. I was holding it, so because I didn't want to go. Okay, and I ran to the restroom. Hold it. It's like I aspirated. I almost drowned, and then because I was holding it in, it like went to my head, and I couldn't breathe. It was like I was drowning. That's what it felt like. I was drowning. So my head was burning. It felt like I was drowning in water because I had hold it in, and it went everywhere. Through my, it went through my head, and my pipes and everything. Wrong pipe, but chest hurt. They had to. I worked in the medical. I probably hope I didn't get in my lung or anything like that. It caused you to have aspiration pneumonia. That's what it caused you to have. So, you gotta be careful when eating stuff, or going the wrong pipe. Well, it's weird. I'm talking about it, but this was some good food, you guys. This is gonna be a quick video. Hope you enjoyed that video with the chocolate, Ferrero Chocolate, Ferrero Chocolate. So in the description box below, there will be links where you can get your chocolates. Probably be 4 or 5 links. There's different places, different chocolates where you can get them. Okay, you guys. One more thing. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye.